So now that we've shared our pictures about what a scientist is or does and what we think one looks like, we're going to read this story, I Know a Scientist. I know a scientist, and you can be one too. Here's the scientific method, so you'll know what to do. First, you find a question. Just take a look around. What is it that you want to know? Now you write it down. All scientists ask questions. Next, you make a guess. It's called a hypothesis about what will happen when you do your test. Now, a hypothesis, even though it's a guess, it's an educated guess. It makes sense. You don't say 5 plus 2 is hot dogs. You don't say 5 plus 2 is a puppy dog. You might say 5 plus 2 is 10, but that would be an educated guess, and you were using your thoughts to kind of come close. But we want to use good, not silly answers, but we want to make hypotheses, which is what we think will happen next. Now experiment. Observe it, write it too. You'll need lots of data to show your guess is true. So scientists ask questions, they make hypotheses, or they make a claim, and they think what's going to happen, and then they get to experiment. Then you draw conclusions. Look into any doubts, then tell everybody what you found out. A conclusion is what the results you get from your experiment. So here's the scientific method. Questions. What do you want to know? Hypothesis. What do you think will happen? Experiment. Test to see your guess is right. 4 is a conclusion. Tell what you found out. So this is just a real simple form of what the scientific method looks like in 3rd grade.